Hello, this is Noreen from joyacards.com and welcome to my video. Hey, look what I got in the mail last night. The new Stampin' Up! Mini catalog, January to April 2024, and the Saleabration catalog. Now, I can't show you what's inside because I would go to Stampin' Up! Jail. But anyway, I can't show you what's inside until January, but I can mail these out. I have not done my mailer yet. I'm going to wait till a couple days before the end of November. And so if you want to get one of these, put your information in the comments below. And hey, while you're at it, like and subscribe. That'd be awesome. And go to joyacards.com and watch all my card videos. That'd be great. But don't forget the carryover product list and the last chance product list from the other mini catalog that we just are finishing up in December is out. Now, if you go to joyacards.com and go to shop and then go to PDFs, I have these on my site for free if you don't want to go through the whole demonstrator Stampin' Up! Site, or if you're just a customer, you can get these anyways and see what's on the list. And I'm sure that these are all going to go on clearance too. So, and I also sell my retired. So at the in January, there'll be a list on my site of all my retired stuff too, and I sell them pretty cheap. So anyway, go ahead and check these out or get on my mailing list and get one of these catalogs. So they don't ship until January. You'll get them in January, but when you're on a demonstrator's mailing list, you get them a lot faster than going the other way, but that's okay. Either way, you'll get the catalog. But anyway, that will do it for me. Thanks. Bye.